Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of animals that have adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. From the frozen wastelands of the Arctic to the scorching sands of the Sahara, life, in some form, finds a way. Imagine a world of blistering heat where the sun beats down relentlessly, or a world of perpetual darkness where the pressure is crushing. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of animal resilience, where survival is a testament to the power of adaptation. Our journey begins with a creature so resilient, it seems almost invincible. This is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Barely visible to the naked eye, these microscopic animals are found in every corner of the globe, from mountaintops to the depths of the ocean. Extreme temperatures, radiation, even the vacuum of space, the tardigrade takes it all in stride. When faced with adversity, they enter a state of suspended animation, a death-like slumber from which they can awaken years, even decades later. Our next destination is the Sahara Desert, home to the Saharan silver ant. Here, temperatures soar to unimaginable heights, but these tiny creatures have evolved a remarkable strategy for survival. The Saharan silver ant possesses a unique silver sheen, a reflection of its incredible heat resistance. This metallic armor reflects sunlight, keeping their internal temperature below their critical limit. These ants are incredibly fast, their long legs carrying them across the scorching sand at speeds that would shame an Olympic sprinter. From the scorching desert we plunge into the icy depths of the Antarctic Ocean, home to the remarkable ice fish. As their name suggests, these fish thrive in temperatures that would freeze the blood of most other creatures. Their secret lies in a unique adaptation, anti-freeze proteins that course through their veins. These proteins prevent ice crystals from forming, allowing their blood to flow freely even in sub-zero temperatures. Their blood is also remarkably thin, lacking the red blood cells found in most other fish, essential for survival in the oxygen-rich but frigid waters of the Antarctic. Our quest for extreme life now takes us to the depths of the ocean, to hydrothermal vents where superheated water spews from the Earth's crust. It's a hostile environment, shrouded in darkness under immense pressure, and with temperatures exceeding the boiling point of water. Yet, even here, life persists. Meet the extremophiles, microscopic bacteria that thrive in these seemingly impossible conditions. These remarkable organisms have evolved unique enzymes and metabolic pathways that allow them to function in the presence of extreme heat, pressure, and even toxic chemicals. Back on land, we encounter another icon of survival, the camel. These majestic creatures are synonymous with the desert, perfectly adapted to life in this arid environment. Their most famous adaptation is their ability to survive for long periods without water. Contrary to popular belief, camels don't store water in their humps. Rather, their humps store fat, which can be metabolized to produce water as a byproduct. Their long eyelashes, closable nostrils, and thick fur all help to protect them from the harsh desert sun and blowing sand. And let's not forget their padded feet, perfectly designed for traversing the shifting sands of their desert home. Our journey takes us now to the Arctic, a land of ice and snow, where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows. Here, we find the Arctic fox, a master of survival in this frozen wilderness. Its thick white fur provides excellent insulation, camouflaging it against the snowy backdrop. The Arctic fox has a compact body and short legs, reducing its surface area and minimizing heat loss. Its bushy tail, almost as large as its body, acts as a warm wrap, providing additional insulation. And when food is scarce, the Arctic fox will follow polar bears, scavenging on the remains of their kills. We descend once more into the depths of the ocean, this time to the abyssal zone, a realm of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure. Here, in this alien world, we find the deep-sea anglerfish. These bizarre-looking creatures possess a unique adaptation, a bioluminescent lure dangling from their heads. This lure, filled with light-producing bacteria, acts like a fishing rod, attracting prey in the pitch-black depths. Their bodies are specially adapted to withstand the immense pressure of the deep ocean. Their bones are thin and flexible, and their tissues contain a high concentration of fluids, preventing them from being crushed. Their large upward-facing mouths and expandable stomachs allow them to consume prey larger than themselves. Back to the frozen south, we encounter the emperor penguin, a creature that embodies endurance. These majestic birds endure some of the harshest conditions on Earth, breeding during the depths of the Antarctic winter. Imagine, if you will, huddling together against relentless blizzards, temperatures plummeting to -50 degrees Celsius. This is the reality for emperor penguins during their breeding season. Their dense, overlapping feathers provide exceptional insulation, while a thick layer of blubber beneath their skin offers further protection from the cold. And their social behavior is just as crucial. They huddle together for warmth, taking turns to be on the outer edge of the group, exposed to the full brunt of the elements. We return to the scorching Sahara, where the sun beats down relentlessly. The Saharan silver ant, already a champion of heat resistance, has another trick up its sleeve: exceptional navigation skills. In this vast and featureless landscape, finding their way back to their nest is a matter of life and death. They navigate using a combination of the sun's position and a mental map of their surroundings. They can even count their steps, using this internal pedometer to gauge distances with astonishing accuracy. These remarkable adaptations allow the Saharan silver ant to thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Our final destination takes us to the Himalayas, the rooftop of the world. Here, amongst the towering peaks and thin air, we find the yak, perfectly adapted to life at high altitude. Their most crucial adaptation is their ability to thrive in low-oxygen environments. Their blood contains a higher concentration of red blood cells than most other mammals, allowing them to efficiently transport oxygen throughout their bodies. Their long, shaggy fur provides insulation against the biting cold, while their large, powerful lungs allow them to extract maximum oxygen from the thin air. And their strong hooves and sure-footedness make them perfectly suited for navigating the steep, rocky terrain of their mountain home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing animals, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about the natural world. From the microscopic tardigrade to the majestic emperor penguin, these creatures remind us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. They've adapted to thrive in environments we humans find uninhabitable, demonstrating the extraordinary power of natural selection. Their stories are a testament to the wonders of the natural world, a world that we must strive to understand and protect. In this chapter, we will explore the unique adaptations of animals living in the deep ocean. These creatures have evolved to survive in complete darkness, immense pressure, and freezing temperatures. We will discuss bioluminescence, pressure resistance, and other fascinating adaptations. Imagine a world where sunlight never penetrates, where the pressure is equivalent to that of 1,000 elephants standing on a single square meter. This is the deep ocean, an environment so extreme that it demands extraordinary adaptations for survival. One of the most remarkable adaptations is bioluminescence, the ability of organisms to produce light. This natural phenomenon is used for communication, attracting prey, and even deterring predators. Another critical adaptation is pressure resistance. Deep-sea creatures like the giant squid have developed specialized body structures that can withstand crushing pressures. These adaptations allow them to thrive where few other organisms can. In this hidden world, life has found a way to flourish against all odds. The deep ocean remains one of the least explored and most mysterious parts of our planet, holding secrets that continue to captivate scientists and explorers alike. Join us as we delve into the depths and uncover the secrets of the deep ocean. The resilience and ingenuity of these creatures offer yet another testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. In this chapter, we will delve into the adaptations of animals in the high altitudes of the Himalayas. These towering peaks, often called the roof of the world, offer some of the most challenging living conditions on Earth. Yet, life finds a way to thrive even here. Imagine facing low oxygen levels, extreme cold, and rugged terrain as a daily reality. The animals that call these heights home have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. One of the most iconic residents of the Himalayas is the snow leopard. With its thick fur, powerful limbs, and long tail for balance, it navigates the steep, rocky slopes with ease. Its respiratory system is highly efficient, allowing it to breathe in thin air and maintain the stamina needed for hunting. Another fascinating example is the Himalayan tahr, a wild goat with dense, woolly fur that provides insulation against the biting cold. Their sharp, curved hooves offer exceptional grip on the treacherous mountainsides, enabling them to graze on sparse vegetation that clings to the rocks. These adaptations are not just about survival but thriving in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. The resilience and ingenuity of these creatures provide a glimpse into nature's incredible ability to adapt and persist. Join us as we ascend to the heights of the Himalayas and discover the extraordinary lives of these high-altitude survivors. Their stories are yet another testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. In this chapter, we will examine the survival strategies of animals in the arid deserts. These vast, sun-scorched landscapes are among the harshest environments on Earth, where temperatures can soar to blistering heights during the day and plummet to freezing lows at night. Yet, even here, life finds a way to endure. One of the most iconic desert dwellers is the fennec fox. With its oversized ears, this small nocturnal predator uses its acute hearing to detect prey underground. The large ears also serve another purpose. They help dissipate heat, keeping the fox cool in the scorching desert sun. Its sandy-colored fur provides perfect camouflage, while its thick coat offers insulation against the cold desert nights. Next, we have the camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert. This remarkable animal can go for weeks without water, thanks to its ability to tolerate extreme dehydration. Camels store fat in their humps, which can be converted into water and energy when resources are scarce. Their long legs keep their bodies away from the hot ground, and their nostrils can close to keep out sand during desert storms. Lastly, let's look at the desert tortoise, a master of water conservation. This slow-moving reptile spends most of its life in burrows to escape the extreme heat. It can survive long periods without water by extracting moisture from the plants it eats and storing water in its bladder. During the brief rainy season, the tortoise will drink and store as much water as possible, preparing for the long dry months ahead. These adaptations highlight the incredible resilience and ingenuity of desert animals. Their ability to conserve water, tolerate heat, and adopt nocturnal lifestyles are key strategies that enable them to thrive in an environment where survival is a constant challenge. Join us as we journey through the arid deserts and uncover the secrets of these remarkable survivors. Their stories are yet another testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. In stark contrast to the sun-scorched deserts, the polar regions present their own unique set of challenges. These icy landscapes are among the most extreme environments on our planet, where temperatures can plunge to bone-chilling lows and resources are scarce. Yet, even here, life finds a way to endure. Welcome to the world of polar pioneers. First, let's meet the polar bear, an iconic symbol of the Arctic. With its thick layer of blubber and dense fur, the polar bear is perfectly insulated against the freezing temperatures. This majestic predator relies on fat storage for energy, allowing it to survive long periods without food. Polar bears are also exceptional swimmers, capable of covering vast distances in search of seals, their primary prey. Next, we have the Arctic fox, a master of adaptation in the frigid north. Its compact body, short legs, and small ears minimize heat loss, while its thick, multi-layered fur provides excellent insulation. During the winter months, the Arctic fox's fur changes color to white, offering camouflage against the snow and ice. This clever scavenger can also cache food supplies to help it survive the leaner months. Lastly, let's journey to the Antarctic to meet the emperor penguin. These remarkable birds have evolved to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. With a thick layer of blubber and tightly packed feathers, emperor penguins are well insulated against the extreme cold. They also huddle together in large groups to conserve warmth, taking turns to brave the outer edges of the huddle. During the breeding season, male emperor penguins endure months without food, relying on their fat reserves while they incubate their eggs in the freezing conditions. These adaptations highlight the incredible resilience and ingenuity of polar animals. Their ability to insulate against the cold, store fat for energy, and adopt unique behavioral strategies are key to their survival in these frozen frontiers. Join us as we explore the icy realms of the polar regions and uncover the secrets of these remarkable pioneers. Their stories are yet another testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. As we leave the frozen extremes behind, our journey takes us to a place where darkness reigns supreme, a world illuminated only by the faintest glimmers of starlight. Here, in the depths of the night, we encounter creatures that have mastered the art of survival under the cloak of darkness. Welcome to the realm of the nocturnal guardians. First, we meet the elusive owl. With its silent flight and exceptional night vision, The owl is a master predator of the night. Its asymmetrical ears allow it to pinpoint the exact location of its prey, even in complete darkness. The owl's feathers are specially adapted to muffle the sound of its flight, allowing it to swoop down on its unsuspecting prey with deadly precision. Next, we delve into the world of the bat, the only mammal capable of true flight. Bats navigate the night skies using echolocation, emitting high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects and return as echoes. This sophisticated sonar system enables bats to locate insects with remarkable accuracy, even in pitch-black conditions. Some species of bats have also developed unique feeding strategies like the vampire bat, which sustains itself on the blood of other animals. Our journey continues underwater where we encounter the bioluminescent creatures of the deep sea. In these dark abyssal zones, light is a precious commodity. Many deep-sea organisms have evolved the ability to produce their own light through a chemical reaction known as bioluminescence. This adaptation serves multiple purposes, from attracting prey and deterring predators, to communicating and finding mates. The anglerfish, with its glowing lure, is a prime example of this extraordinary adaptation. Lastly, we explore the nocturnal behaviors of desert animals. The fennec fox, with its oversized ears, relies on acute hearing to detect the movements of its prey under the cover of darkness. Its pale fur reflects moonlight, providing camouflage against the desert sands. Nocturnal reptiles, such as the gecko, have developed specialized eyes that can see in low-light conditions, allowing them to hunt and avoid predators during the cooler nighttime hours. These nocturnal guardians have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in the absence of light. Their stories remind us of the endless ingenuity of nature as life continues to find a way to endure, even in the darkest corners of our planet. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the night and celebrate the incredible diversity of life that flourishes under the stars. As we leave the nocturnal guardians behind, our journey plunges us into a realm where sunlight never reaches, and the pressure is immense. Welcome to the fascinating world of deep-sea creatures. Here in the ocean's depths, life has evolved in ways that seem almost otherworldly. First, we encounter the bioluminescent organisms, the natural light-bearers of the deep. Through a chemical reaction known as bioluminescence, these creatures can produce their own light. This adaptation serves multiple purposes: attracting prey, deterring predators, and even communicating with potential mates. The anglerfish, with its eerie glowing lure, is a prime example of this extraordinary adaptation. It uses its light to draw in unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black waters. Next, we discover the unique feeding strategies of deep-sea dwellers. The gulper eel, with its enormous gaping mouth, can swallow prey much larger than itself. It lurks in the darkness, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The vampire squid, despite its menacing name, feeds on marine snow, organic debris that drifts down from the upper layers of the ocean. Its bioluminescent displays are not just for show. They serve as a defense mechanism, confusing potential predators. Our exploration continues with the extraordinary adaptations that allow life to flourish in such an inhospitable environment. The deep-sea octopus, for instance, has developed the ability to withstand extreme pressures and cold temperatures. Its gelatinous body is perfectly suited for life in the abyss, where the crushing pressure would be fatal to most other creatures. Lastly, we marvel at the resilience and ingenuity of these deep-sea inhabitants. The yeti crab, discovered near hydrothermal vents, relies on bacteria that grow on its hairy claws for sustenance. These vents, spewing hot, mineral-rich water, create a unique ecosystem where life thrives in the absence of sunlight. The symbiotic relationship between the yeti crab and its bacteria is a testament to the adaptability of life in the most extreme conditions. These deep-sea wonders remind us of the boundless creativity of nature. In the darkest, most remote corners of our planet, life continues to find a way to endure and flourish. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the ocean's depths and celebrate the incredible diversity of life that inhabits this hidden world. As we rise from the ocean's abyss, our journey takes us to the towering heights of the world's most formidable mountain ranges. Welcome to the high mountains, where survival requires extraordinary adaptations. From the Himalayas to the Andes, these regions present extreme challenges such as low oxygen levels, freezing temperatures, and rugged terrain. First, we encounter the elusive snow leopard, a master of stealth and agility. With its powerful limbs and long, thick tail, the snow leopard navigates the treacherous slopes with ease. Its dense fur provides insulation against the biting cold, while its wide nasal passages help it breathe in the thin, high-altitude air. This magnificent predator relies on its keen senses and camouflage to hunt mountain prey, such as the Himalayan blue sheep, in an environment where every step could be its last. Next, we observe the mountain goat, a symbol of resilience and balance. These incredible climbers possess specialized hooves with rough pads that grip the rocky surfaces, allowing them to scale steep cliffs with remarkable precision. Their muscular bodies and thick coats enable them to endure the harsh mountain climate where temperatures can plummet to well below freezing. The mountain goat's ability to find food in sparse, rugged terrain is a testament to its adaptability and resourcefulness. High above, the Andean condor soars effortlessly through the thin mountain air. With a wingspan of up to 10 feet, this majestic bird is one of the largest flying creatures on Earth. The Andean condor's keen eyesight allows it to spot carrion from great distances, making it a vital part of the mountain ecosystem as a scavenger. Its impressive flight capabilities and efficient use of thermal updrafts enable it to cover vast distances in search of food, conserving energy in a landscape where resources are scarce. These mountain dwellers demonstrate the incredible ingenuity of nature in the face of extreme adversity. Whether it's the snow leopard's stealth, the mountain goat's agility, or the Andean condor's majestic flight, each of these animals has developed unique strategies to survive and thrive in the high-altitude wilderness. Join us as we continue to explore the extraordinary adaptations of the natural world, where life persists against all odds, even in the most challenging environments. As we descend from the frigid peaks of the world's highest mountains, our final chapter takes us to a starkly different landscape, the arid deserts. Here, temperatures can soar to unbearable levels during the day and plummet to freezing at night. In this extreme environment, survival demands incredible adaptations and resilience. First, we encounter the fennec fox, a small nocturnal predator with oversized ears that serve as natural radiators, dissipating heat to keep the fox cool. Its thick fur not only insulates it from the cold desert nights but also reflects sunlight during the day. Agile and quick, the fennec fox navigates the sandy terrain effortlessly, using its acute hearing to detect prey underground. Next, we meet the camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert. Camels are equipped with a suite of adaptations that allow them to endure the harsh desert climate. Their humps store fat, which can be converted into water and energy, enabling them to survive long periods without food or water. Their thick eyebrows and long eyelashes protect their eyes from sand and sun, while their broad, leathery feet prevent them from sinking into the sand. Lastly, we observe the desert tortoise, a master of water conservation. This resilient reptile spends most of its life in burrows to escape the extreme heat. It can survive for months without water, extracting moisture from the vegetation it eats and storing it in its bladder. The desert tortoise's tough, scaly skin reduces water loss, making it well-suited to its arid habitat. These desert dwellers exemplify the extraordinary ingenuity of nature, showcasing unique strategies to find water, stay cool, and avoid predators. Whether it's the fennec fox's nocturnal lifestyle, the camel's efficient resource storage, or the desert tortoise's water conservation, each of these animals has adapted to thrive in one of the planet's most challenging environments. Join us as we celebrate the remarkable resilience and adaptability of life on Earth, where survival is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the relentless drive to endure against all odds. As the sun sets and the desert sands cool, a different cast of characters emerges from the shadows. These are the guardians of the night, animals whose lives are shrouded in mystery and whose adaptations are nothing short of miraculous. First, we encounter the elusive sand cat, a nocturnal predator perfectly camouflaged against the desert landscape. With fur that blends seamlessly with the sandy environment and padded feet that leave no trace, the sand cat is a master of stealth. Its large, sensitive ears pick up the faintest sounds of prey, allowing it to hunt efficiently under the cover of darkness. Next, we meet the desert owl, a silent hunter of the night skies. Equipped with exceptional night vision and acute hearing, the desert owl can detect the slightest movement of rodents and insects from high above. Its flight is nearly silent thanks to specialized feathers that muffle sound, making it an almost ghostly presence in the night. Lastly, we observe the scorpion, an ancient survivor of the desert. With its venomous sting and ability to glow under ultraviolet light, the scorpion is both feared and fascinating. Its tough exoskeleton protects it from the harsh elements, and it can slow its metabolism to survive long periods without food or water. These guardians of the night reveal the hidden wonders of the desert, showcasing the remarkable adaptations that enable them to survive and thrive in one of the planet's most unforgiving environments. As we delve into their nocturnal world, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and ingenuity of life on Earth, where survival is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the relentless drive to endure against all odds. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these nocturnal creatures, celebrating the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the harshest environments on our planet. In this chapter, we will explore the incredible adaptations of animals living in the harshest environments on Earth. From the scorching deserts to the freezing polar regions, these creatures have evolved unique traits to survive and thrive. We will delve into the physiological and behavioral adaptations that enable them to endure extreme temperatures, scarce water sources, and limited food availability. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these remarkable survivors. First, we journey back to the desert, where the fennec fox reigns supreme. With its oversized ears and nocturnal lifestyle, the fennec fox dissipates heat and detects prey with unparalleled efficiency. Its light-colored fur reflects sunlight, and its feet are covered in fur to protect against the scorching sand. Next, we travel to the Arctic tundra, home to the Arctic fox. This small but resilient creature changes the color of its fur with the seasons, blending seamlessly into the snowy landscape in winter and the rocky terrain in summer. Its thick fur and compact body minimize heat loss, allowing it to endure the frigid temperatures. Finally, we dive into the ocean to meet the emperor penguin. These birds are masters of surviving the Antarctic winter, huddling together to conserve heat and rotating positions to ensure each member of the group stays warm. Their dense feathers and a layer of blubber provide insulation against the icy waters. These masters of adaptation reveal the extraordinary ways life can flourish in even the most extreme conditions. By studying their unique traits, we gain valuable insights into the resilience of life on Earth and the amazing processes of evolution. Join us as we continue to celebrate the wonders of the natural world and the incredible diversity of life that calls our planet home. Continuing our journey, we will examine the fascinating world of deep-sea creatures. These animals live in complete darkness, under immense pressure, and in freezing temperatures. Despite these challenges, they have developed extraordinary adaptations, such as bioluminescence, specialized feeding mechanisms, and unique reproductive strategies. First, we encounter the anglerfish, a creature like no other. With its bioluminescent lure, it attracts prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. The female anglerfish is equipped with a long, modified dorsal spine that glows, enticing smaller fish towards its massive jaws. This remarkable adaptation allows it to hunt efficiently in a world where food is scarce. Next, we meet the vampire squid, an enigmatic inhabitant of the deep sea. Despite its fearsome name, this creature is a master of evasion rather than aggression. It utilizes bioluminescent displays to confuse predators and can turn itself inside out, displaying spiny projections to deter attackers. Its ability to live in low-oxygen environments makes it a true marvel of adaptation. We then descend further to the domain of the giant tube worms, thriving around hydrothermal vents. These extraordinary organisms have no mouth or digestive system. Instead, they rely on symbiotic bacteria to convert the toxic chemicals from the vents into energy. This unique relationship allows them to flourish in one of the most extreme habitats on Earth. Lastly, we discover the elusive gulper eel, known for its enormous mouth and expandable stomach. This creature can consume prey much larger than itself, an invaluable adaptation in an environment where meals are few and far between. Its ability to unhinge its jaw and swallow large prey whole is a testament to the incredible adaptability of deep-sea life. These deep-sea marvels reveal the extraordinary ways life can flourish in the most extreme and hostile environments. By studying their unique traits, we gain valuable insights into the resilience of life on Earth and the amazing processes of evolution. Join us as we continue to celebrate the wonders of the natural world and the incredible diversity of life that calls our planet home. In this chapter, we will focus on the incredible migratory patterns of various animal species. Migration is a survival strategy that allows animals to find food, reproduce, and avoid harsh weather conditions. We will explore the long journeys undertaken by birds, mammals, and marine animals, and the navigational skills they use to travel thousands of miles. Learn about the challenges they face and the remarkable endurance they display during their migrations. First, we turn our attention to the Arctic tern, a small bird with one of the longest migration routes in the animal kingdom. Traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, these birds cover a staggering 25,000 miles annually. Their journey is a testament to endurance and resilience, navigating vast oceans and enduring extreme weather conditions to reach their breeding grounds. Next, we follow the journey of the monarch butterfly. These delicate creatures undertake an epic migration from North America to central Mexico, spanning several generations. Guided by an innate sense of direction, they navigate using the position of the sun and the Earth's magnetic field. Their journey is fraught with challenges, from harsh weather to habitat loss, yet they persevere, driven by an instinctual need to survive and reproduce. We then dive into the ocean to witness the migration of the humpback whale. These gentle giants travel thousands of miles from their feeding grounds in polar waters to their breeding grounds in tropical waters. Along the way, they face threats from predators, ship strikes, and changing ocean conditions. Yet their journey is crucial for the survival of their species, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. Lastly, we observe the great wildebeest migration in Africa. Over 1 million wildebeest, along with zebras and gazelles, traverse the Serengeti in search of fresh grazing lands. This perilous journey, known as the greatest show on Earth, is fraught with dangers, from predators like lions and crocodiles to treacherous river crossings. Despite the odds, the wildebeest press on, driven by an unyielding instinct to survive. These epic migrations highlight the incredible endurance and adaptability of the animal kingdom. By understanding their journeys, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience of life and the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. Join us as we continue to celebrate the wonders of the natural world and the incredible diversity of life that calls our planet home.